Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here then welcome. Please subscribe to my channel, it would mean a lot to me. So in today's video I'm going to give my honest opinion on the Derma Co 20% Vitamin C Serum. So let's start with the negatives and positives about this serum. Now Derma Co offers customized skincare solutions, so you can choose your skin concerns and they'll recommend the products to you. All of their products, including this one, are designed by dermatologists, so which makes their products a lot more reliable than other brands available in the market. Now first talking about the packaging, well, it has a glass packaging and a glass dropper, which makes it very easy to apply the serum, but I do not like the packaging because this is a translucent glass packaging and vitamin C serum should always come in a dark colored glass container. This is because if the vitamin C serums gets in contact with light, then it starts to turn yellow, which has been happening with this serum too. It was really clear in the beginning and now as you can see the color has changed quite a bit. And what it does is that it reduces the efficiency of the serum. So yeah, the packaging is not that good. Initially when I got this serum, I was really excited because it is not a pure vitamin C serum. It also has hyaluronic acid and both vitamin C and hyaluronic acid work really well together. Apart from that, this serum also has ferulic acid added in it. Ferulic acid will help in the better absorption of vitamin C in your skin, and vitamin C, you all would know that it will help in brightening your skin, reducing your acne scars, pigmentation, while hyaluronic acid will deeply moisturize your skin. It is used to give that plump, hydrated skin effect. So when I got this product, my skin was going through a rough phase. I was getting breakouts and my skin was dull, basically because of lifestyle changes, because I was not sleeping well and drinking a lot of black coffee. And within a week of using it, I could see some small differences in my skin. First of all, the breakouts calmed down. I was not getting any more pimples and the dullness also reduced a bit. And now that I have used it for such a long time, I do see some visible differences in my skin. It's a lot more smoother and plumper than before, which is basically due to hyaluronic acid, and it has brightened up. I do not have acne scars, so I can't comment on that, but I have some pigmentation around my mouth area which has lightened up a bit but not gone completely. Considering that my lifestyle is still the same, I can give some credit to this serum. So the texture is quite runny, as you can see, but it does take some time to get absorbed into your skin, which is basically due to hyaluronic acid. But even after it is absorbed into your skin, it does feel sticky for a while. You can see that my fingers are sticking a bit. This is also due to hyaluronic acid and it just becomes normal in a few minutes, so there is nothing to worry about. Now to apply the serum, I use a dropper directly and pour some drops over my face, and then I just use my fingers in an upward motion. So you can see that the serum is not very easily absorbable. It is taking some time to get absorbed into the skin. Now that it is absorbed, you can see that there is a slight stickiness and tackiness to my skin, but as I said, it goes away in a few minutes, and you can definitely see that it has given a beautiful glow to my face. Now you can use this serum both in your nighttime and daytime skincare routine. Both vitamin C and ferulic acid are great antioxidants against sun, so it will give you an added sun protection, but do make sure that you follow up with a good sunscreen. And in the night, you can just let this be a last step of skincare. You can follow up with a night cream also, but this just feels like a last step. Another thing that I'm not very fan of in this serum is that it is heavily perfumed. So if you are someone with a sensitive nose, this can bother you, although the smell will go away in a few minutes. So I would say even only if you are 20 plus, then use a vitamin C serum, otherwise your skin can be sensitive to it. Similarly for beginners, if you are a beginner who has not tried any serum before, do not start with a vitamin C serum because again you do not know the sensitivity level of your skin. So just begin with another serum and then you can add vitamin C in your skincare routine. So all in all, this is a beautiful serum a little bit expensive, but the price range is justified for the result that it produces. However, these are truly my honest opinions, and every skin is different, so any skincare product that works for me might not work for you. So just research about your skin type before buying it. So guys, that was it. I hope you liked the video. Do like and comment if you did, and also follow me on Instagram for more such beauty tips and updates, and I'll see you in my next video very soon. Bye.